Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 2002 Jeep Wrangler. We just got done putting a brand new 4-liter 6-cylinder engine in it. Here you can see it's got aftermarket front bumper there. It does have a winch plate in case you want to put a winch on it. The bumper or the hood all looks good. One little ding over there you can see. Got a little stress crack right here on this fender. Obviously oversized tires, got 35 1250s, 15s. Got new Nerf bars on it. You can see a few scratches on the driver's door and a few rock chips on that. You're gonna get that with them bigger tires. Interior's in good shape, nice and clean, no issues there. Got the back seat, got the speakers, aftermarket stereo system. 113,814. Start it up. Like I said, brand new motor, has warranty on it. You can hear the fan working and the speaker does blow cold air. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Wipers. Horn works. You can see your dome light. The rest of our lights. Obviously no power windows or locks on these older Wranglers, but like I said, is an automatic. Also has an aftermarket oil pressure. Carpet's been taken out because a lot of people like to take the hard tops off. So see a tail light, got a tow package. Spare tire, does not just a factory Jeep wheel. See a few little scratches right there, and also in this molding. Same deal here, you get a few rock chips from the oversized tires. Sahara edition, like I said, just a nice Jeep. One that be definitely will get some looks and some thumbs up because it's got a great look to it with the lift kit and the oversized tires and wheels. So any questions? 605-692-7010.